All right, I have a lot of questions of people ask me when the market is pulled back right now, then what are the best company to invest in? So in this video, I want to share with you, if I have to invest into 3 companies right now when the market is pulled back, what company I would choose or I would invest. The first company I would invest in is called Palantir, right? Palantir, I have talked a lot about this company in my past videos. Palantir is a great AI technology company. They have great product, they have sale already, and the most important thing is they have great founders. So first of all, let me talk to you why I invested to Palantir due to this market going down. Palantir last time, I think they went up to more than 38, like almost $40, okay? But now they dropped down to like $22, $23. That is a 50% discount right there. And second thing is, I'll invest. She buy a lot of Palantir. She buy over $100 million of Palantir. And recently, last week, she buy even more of Palantir in. I'll invest. She is a genius investor. And there's a reason why she invested to Palantir, because she saw the future of the company. And what I see in Palantir is they are a great AI company, and they have great product for the government. They also have a great product for the corporation, and eventually they going to create a product probably directly to the consumer too as well. But anyway, this video is not about like what Palantir is really about, but it's about which company I would invest in, Palantir, okay? The next company I will invest in is called IPOE. IPOE is basically it's a SPAC right now for SoFi. So if you want to look for the ticker, it's IPOE. Reason why I invest into it, guy, I like the concept of IPOE. I can see IPOE is going to be a future. IPOE is basically a company about financial and loan, and they disrupt the whole entire industry. They have a product, everything from loan, from student loan to small business loan to personal loan to house loan. They have everything related to loan, right? And on top of that, they also have insurance in there that connect with third party. On top of that, they also have a banking. So imagine like you can put money inside this online banking, IPOE, and after you put the money in there, you save your money. After you save your money, guess what happened? You can take the money to invest your money to IPOE. IPOE, they have the invest, right? You can use that money to play stock. And let's say when you play stock and you need some money, for example, you can loan the money for your small business. You can loan the money for your personal. For student, you can loan the money as a student loan as well. So I really see IPOE, they have an all-in-one solution from loan to invest to saving in your bank. And I really see the future of IPOE, guy. And this company right now, the market cap is really small. And most important thing is they haven't even merged with SoFi together yet. When it's merged, it's probably going to be a lot, the company going to be a lot bigger. And the share will rise. And right now, the market crash, the market pullback, the price is so discount, it's so cheap right now. I used to buy this company as like $18 and I buy more at $21, but now this company is at $17. It's a really ridiculous good price, and the concept is really good. The market share the market cap is really small. The CEO of the company have a lot of experience, and they have a great management team. This CEO, he is the CFO of NFL. He is the CFO of Twitter, and he also the COO of Twitter. So this guy have a lot of experience. And this company is backed and invested by Chamath, which is the genius investor. So those are the few reasons why I invest into IPOE. So the first company I mentioned is Palantir. Second company is IPOE. Now it leads me to the third company. Guy, I love Virgin Galactic. I have made one of the regret decision by selling Virgin Galactic in the past. But now Virgin Galactic has put into the ETF of all invest in the space travel. And like I talked in my previous video is space travel is the future. It definitely space travel is the future. That's why you see SpaceX, Virgin Galactic, and I even talk about Rolls-Royce because Rolls-Royce is like the future. But basically Virgin Galactic, they have the 10X founder, which is Richard Branson. He's the billionaire. Chamath is the chairman. He is the billionaire as well, and those are a genius guy. They have the CEO from Disney. Basically, they hire a guy from Disney that understands every operation from Disney, come inside the company to work for them so they can expand the future vision of Virgin Galactic. And Virgin Galactic guy, last time they went up to almost $60 per share, but now they dropped down to like $32. So the price is really, really good price right now. All invest into it. Chamath invest into it, and a lot of big investor invest into it. And I think this company is great. So Virgin Galactic is my top 3. Last thing, I just want to give a bonus. Like, if I had to invest into the full company, I would choose NIO. I mean, I talk about NIO a lot in my previous video as well. NIO is a great company. It's a great company EV in China, and they position to become the #1 in China as a premium market in China for EV. And they have basically they have automated driving technology, and their car is very luxury. And on top of that, EV is the future, and China population is huge, guy, and they're backed up by the government. And right now, the last time their share went up to like, I think it's $60-something, like 65, just 65, 66. But now they dropped down to like $41 to $40. This is a great opportunity. I really think that if somebody really thinks EV is the future, then definitely NIO is one of the great company in China that you guys should consider about purchase. So these are the 4 companies, right? #1 is Palantir, #2 is IPOE, #3 is Virgin Galactic, and the last one is NIO. All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this videos. And if you love this video, please click the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and most important thing, if you have any comment below. All right, guys, invest like a genius.